Hey designers! In today's tutorial, you will learn how to craft a stunning radial effect in Photoshop. Before we jump into the artistic process, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below to join our growing community of design. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Take the elliptical marquee tool. Draw a circle. Select the color of your choice. Take the bucket tool and fill the color. Now duplicate this circle by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard and dragging it. Give it a lighter color. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Go to Edit. Define pattern. Take a new layer. We don't want this layer now, so we will delete it. Click on this adjustment layer icon. Go to Pattern. Select the pattern we just made. Scale it down. OK. Now make a circular selection here. Go to Filter. Distort. Spherize. OK. Right-click and select Layer via Copy. We don't need this layer. You may delete it. To remove all the area with white color, take the Magic Wand tool. Click on the white fill. Right-click and select Layer via Cut. Let's give a black background here. Make a new layer. Fill it with black color. Now duplicate this radial layer. Select the layer below. Go to Filter. Blur. Radial blur. Select Zoom here. Amount 60%. OK. I hope you like this video. If yes, comment below and subscribe.